Hey guys, I'm Paul Foster from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes and the host of The Art of Renovation. I want to talk to you a bit about your exterior doors, both your home entry door and your overhead door. So when you're planning your renovation, consider the products you want to put in there. So in this case, we've incorporated lights, we call them, or little windows into both the overhead door and the front entry door. So this home never used to have any south-facing windows whatsoever, so we never got a lot of direct sunlight into the home. So now we've gone and added a new front entry door that has a nice linear vertical light within it, as well as in the overhead door we have these horizontal lights, and it's a nice modern touch, really looks sharp, but the amount of light it lets into the home now is significant. When you walk into the front entryway, there's a lot of natural light in there, particularly into the garage. It's great. It lights it up well. And it now lets light through the garage in through the entry to the front of the home. So it's a really great way to not only get a beautiful end result, but really practically speaking, really increase the amount of natural light in your home. If you have any questions or would like some advice about your project, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. I'm Paul from The Art of Renovation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great one.